So someone sent me a link to this article here, and I couldn't get past the first paragraph because we've got the drop cap here of U period for U.S. energy officials. Visually, it just bothers me that the U in the period is bigger than the S in the period. U period, S period, that should be one visual entity if it's going to be this way. So it took me about 2 minutes to come up with some CSS to deal with it. So if you're working on a CSS framework, this is probably something you should consider. Obviously, you probably wouldn't want to name your span drop cap as far as the class goes. You'd probably want to make it more clear that this is a utility class in your naming convention. But yeah, today I learned first letter includes the punctuation mark after the letter.